Hello everybody, welcome back to another Gaming Bros video. Today we are playing Ratchet Clank All for One. New episode, new time. This is not the new Ratchet Clank, it is an older one that I've had, well actually I just bought, so that I can play with you guys. Hope you enjoy. Offline, online, offline. Location selection. Next. Create game. Let's go. Seems pretty fun. I hope that this intrigues you guys so that you guys have fun. This is actually a mini game thing, but I'm just going to be going through it, hoping that you enjoy. And if you do, I'd love to see you guys smash that like button. And check out the next couple of videos, because they will be probably these, battle mode, and another game, which happens to start with a G, and it's amazing. Yeah, I'm talking about Grand Theft Auto 5, guys. So we have GTA 5, battle mode.
Facility entrance is just around the bend. You should be able to infiltrate through the main loading bay.
Alright, let me get used to these things again. How did I do that? What? Was that buzzer, grenade? What are these? I have no clue what this is. Ooh, I like this game so far. Yeah, I just thought I'd play through it with you guys, see what this is. What is this? Also, we have Clank. Can we switch to Clank? And alright, where are we going? Ooh.
Nice. Yes. I think you're a few volts shy, Rook.
Alright.
Let's do this.
Purchase. Alright, what do I have now? I upgraded the buzzer. Where's the ACR? Ooh, I like that. You guys like that? Tell me what your favorite weapon, guys, is. We have the ACR, which is this. We have the compulsor, which is this, guys. We have the actual ratchet. We have a war missile. Let's see what that does. That's cool.
I'm out.
Huh, alright. So we're out of missiles. And we don't have enough bullets for more missiles.
Let's see how you deal with the blitzer.
Oh, blitzer. Ooh, I like that. But I think we're going to stick with usual compulsor blaster. Which, I don't know what's going on with my game.
I'm over here.
Whoa, okay. What? What is this? What? That's crazy. Alright, so if we go in here. No.
I'm over here.
Okay, so we go over here. Can we do anything with this besides? Alright. Sorry guys if I'm wasting your time. I'm trying to figure out controls, and my controller is acting up. So. Wait, so if we... Oh. Combustor. Go with the old natural combustor. Holy crap, that hurt. But we need some more of the same coins. Oh crap, that hurt. Again. Okay, so stay away from them things. Got it. Get some more money. Let's go. Let's go to the laser. Ooh, I like that. Still. Okay, I figured it out now. Let's go. Oh, what are we gonna do with this?
Help me with this thing, huh? Now that was good teamwork.
I would hope so.
I believe this situation calls for the vacuum.
Funny thing, I just died, so. Vacuum.
Not bad for a carbon-based life form.
So, oh, vacuum. What?
I'm over here.
Okay, what do I do? So, if I go in here, no. Did any of you guys get that either? What he said? Blitzer, Bullseye Hunter. What is this?
Wow, you are ugly.
Huh. Well, guys, as I'm trying to figure out my controls, it seems that I don't even know what I'm doing.
This one's mine. He's down.
Oh, that button.
You ready, pal?
Oh, alright, there we go. What's this?
Nice. More ammo. Hey, get away from my pal.
Thanks. Seems very Oh,
I don't feel so good. Nice one, pal.
what's this? B? X. What's X? What? Oh, it's XB. X? XB. Oh, X squared. There we go. Ooh, I really could use some health right now.
Does anyone require nanotech?
Nice job, Rudy.
Always could use some health right now, but guess the game won't give it to me. It's gotta be a little monster. Not going there because it's gonna kill me. Okay, so X square. Let's go. There we go. That feels nice.
These guys just don't quit. This one's mine.
Ooh, running backwards and shooting. What did I just do? No. Buster. Okay, so if I go here, turn around. And I got it, and it's time to go. Let's go!
I have your back, Ratchet.
Come on, bring it. Bring it, little monsters. Oh, you want some of this?
I will not regret. Do not wish to hurt.
Did I tell you? I wish we were there with you right now, exploring the strange world off on a new adventure. Crocodile don't get out much these days. Speak for yourself. Just yesterday, I infiltrated the lair of the evil Count Microvolt. He had amassed an army of penguin cyborgs and was planning an attack on the city of Maragon 9. That was a rerun of Unicop, you darn fool. You fell asleep while it was on last night. Now you stay focused.
Couldn't have told me that I was gonna die. Really? if I go here, I hit X. Now fly. Really?
Hop in. Go ahead, Ratchet.
No. No. Go here.
You ready, pal?
And we both died. Guess that will be the end of the episode, guys. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.